Hey, what's up? You got Flip Moss here. Bald, bearded McSquare man, whatever the hell you want to call me. This is a testimonial for my dude, Jacob Caris. You know, that long-haired Aussie guy that, likes wine and, does cool shit and helps a lot of folks. I'm one of those folks. And I want to break down what it's been like. But first, I'm going to take you back a couple years, right? I got fired in 2020. And I sent this long-ass message to Jacob, and I wanted him to let me in his flagship program, Super Affiliate Accelerator. And dude left me on red, right? Because I was asking to get in his shit for free. But I got my wits about me and realized I needed to invest in myself. Now I'm also a person to this day that still invests with Jacob every single month. I've bought literally everything the dude has ever created, and I've not been disappointed in one single thing. I've completely got all of my money back, plus a shit ton more. All right. So I got fired, lost my job, and sold my lawnmower to invest into SAA. All right. Took me less than 8 months to hit my first $20,000 a month. And then Jacob, he fucking twisted my arm to come into the inner circle, which I am still in, by the way. And it's been the best decision that I've ever made. I've had a lot of mentors. I've been through a fuck ton of courses, and bar none, he's been the biggest help to help get me where I'm at today. So I want to walk you through something really quick. You see this watch right here? I got this from Jacob after winning an affiliate contest. All right, so check this out. I now get payments like this every 2 days from Stripe. Because of Jacob, I've learned how to sell and create many different things. There's literally no limit on my pay, just like it was when I was working a job. There's no limit on what I can make, right? My pay is no longer capped, and that's one of the best feelings ever. This nice back deck was paid for with my business from shit that I've learned from Jacob, all right? Because of Jacob, our business has averaged a little more than $40,000 a month. We just come off of another one. Also, because of Jacob, we've built our MRR, monthly recurring revenue, up to this point, which is just incredible. Now, coming from a dude that used to be a plant worker in a factory, to be able to get to this point is just, it's unheard of. I never thought I'd be where I'm at today, and I completely owe, a large majority of that to Jacob. I did do the work, but I did have guidance from the dude. So, again, coming from a guy that's bought everything from Jacob, if you get the chance to work with this dude, make sure you do it. It'll be one of the best things that you've ever done. But just be prepared to work. And shout out to Jacob, dude. You're fucking awesome.